black man doing the same and even worse. The injustices that we saw back then, we see them in quote-unquote better fashion. The abuse of the fundamental human rights of Ugandans continues to happen today. Fundamental rights including expression, for example, the right for one to trade in what it is that they are comfortable to do. And so as we celebrate independence today, we are cognizant of the fact that what happened was simply a change of color, but not a change in substance. If anything, we got worse. And look, we are not one of those who say the white man should come back and rule over us. No, we are saying as Ugandans, we can and should be able to do a better job. What happened today, as Honorable and my colleagues will narrate a bit, is an injustice. We actually would like to think the major problem is not even so much the police and the army. The major problem there is our outgoing president, Mr. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He has a problem with us. He is very scared of people power because the wave has come and it's pretty much going to sweep him, and he's extremely afraid. And we totally understand where he's coming from. Anyone in this place would be afraid. And so it is pretty much orders from above. I mean, I look at our friends Inanga, Onyango and others, they say things which they don't even quite understand, which they don't even entirely believe. But it's orders from above, what to do. And so that's really the situation, that all of this is the doing of our outgoing president, Mr. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who is a coward. I can say that very confidently. He's very scared of people power and what it is bringing to him. The police said yesterday, among other things, that they did not have enough manpower. Enough manpower to deploy and be able to safeguard revelers at Busabala for the Osobola Independence Day concert. They said that all of their manpower was taken to Sironko, where the Independence Day celebrations are going to be, where President Museveni and his comrade in political bad manners, Emmerson Mnangagwa, were presiding over Independence Day celebrations. But then we were flummoxed to see that the police deployed very heavily at Busabala, deployed very heavily at Honorable Kyagulanyi's house, and we kept thinking, wait a minute, you said you did not have enough manpower to safeguard the lives of revelers. So this manpower that you've deployed here, why did you not deploy it heavily at Busabala to secure revelers such that they can go on and enjoy the concert without any disturbance? So ultimately, really, this has got nothing to do with the law, because we notified police in very good time, ticked every box there is, because they introduced new regulations, and all of them were targeting Honorable Kyagulanyi, otherwise known as Bobi Wine. But every box was ticked, but they'll always try to find an excuse. Why? Because it's political, and it comes from President Yoweri Museveni, our outgoing president, who does not want Honorable Kyagulanyi to interact with the people. You must have noticed that President Museveni imagines that Honorable Kyagulanyi is loved by Ugandans of all ages, of all manner, politically that is, because he is into music. And you have seen President Museveni trying to go out there, being at concerts. He has organized concerts himself, because he's probably trying to endear himself to Ugandans. He imagines the reason they love Honorable Kyagulanyi is because of the music. And so his plan is, he will go out there, plan concerts, be a part of them, and meanwhile stop him from going out there to connect with the people. But listen to this, and listen good. Mr. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, our outgoing president, if you want Ugandans to love you like you are trying to clutch on straws, please respect the rule of law. It's very important. You violated our constitution so you can keep in power forever. That is wrong. Stop the injustices. Bequeath to Ugandans a smooth transition from you to another leader. Then Ugandans will say, all right, you have goofed up, but we can say, thank you. But if you do not, and you keep trying these antics, I can assure you that nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. So every curtailment, every stumbling block they put in place only propels us. If anything, these people are the wind beneath our wings, just so they know. So remember, whatever you do, nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. I just translate this very quickly in Uganda, then I invite our incoming president. Olunaku olwaleero Uganda erina kubanga ejaguza olwa meetwaze ge twafuna emyaka 5-7 emabega twafuna independence netugamba nti omuzungu atusuze bubi nga bannayuganda netugamba ekintu kino tusobola okyekwatiramu tukisobola netukikwata ate netukifuga bulungi naye enkyukakyuka eyabaawo nti twava ku kala ey'omuzungu naye tutudda ku kala ey'omuddugavu naye ng'ebikolwa bye bimu n'okusingira ddala okwonoonekera ddala kubanga bannayuganda bakyabaliisa akakanja kubanga ba colonial masters nga tukkaanya nabo tokkiriza nga bwe bakkiriza nga bakuba emiggo nga bakusiba n'okutta nga bakutta gavumenti eriwo mu buyinza kati eya Mwami Museveni byekola kati netugamba nti independence gye twafuna efaanana etya ffenno tetukkiriza nga abamu abagamba nti omuzungu akomewo atufuge tugamba nti ffe nga bannayuganda tusobola okufuga eggwanga lyattu lino obulungi mu bwenkanya nti oli bwoba tokkirizaganya naye alina ebbeetu okuba n'enzikiriza eye okukkiriza nga bw'ayagala okukkiriza okulowooza nga bw'ayagala okulowooza eggulo poliisi yavuddeyo n'egamba nti ekivulu ky'omukulu Honorable Kyagulanyi Bobi Wine tekijja kubaayo ensonga gyasinze okwesigamako nti tebalina bukungu bumala nti abawanvu n'abampi abapoliisi n'amagye baani bonna baabatutte esironko ndiso tebalina bamala kubatwala ebusaabala naye ate okukeera ku makya ebusaabala nga bayiyeeyo amagye n'abapoliisi wano ewa Honorable Kyagulanyi nga bayiyeeyo wakubyeko abapoliisi abamagye mubalabye n'abo batawanyiza nga mugezaako okuyingira kati ffe ne tugamba nti bano we mwatadde wano lwaki tewaba tutte ebusaabala bakuume abantu bagende mu sho beeyagale nga bwe kirina okubeera neffe buno obunaafuusibwa poliisi buviira ddala waggulu ku Mwami Museveni kubanga oda zibawuwe azze nga alowooza nti Honorable Kyagulanyi ettutumu lyalina nti okwagala kwalina okuba eri bannayuganda lwakubanga muyimbi kyenvudde mulaba Mwami Museveni ensangi zino naye atandise okuyimba agenda mu bivulu afuuse saabavulu kuba naye kati atandise okutegeka ebivulu n'alowooza nti bw'anaakola ebyo ajja kufuna ettutumu Honorable Kyagulanyi lyalina kati naagala nti kantegeke ebivulu Honorable Kyagulanyi ebibye mbisazeemu ng'alowooza nti kijja muyamba ffenno tugamba Mwami Museveni ne banne nti akaseera katuuse bannayuganda bagamba baagala nkyukakyuka tewali kyoyinza kukola kuziyiza bannayuganda kufuna nkyukakyuka eyo bajja kulwana namige nga bagondera amateeka era Mwami Museveni ogenda kuva mu buyinza ate twagala oveemu kati wali kuyiwa musaayi nga gwe bwe wajja kuba Mwami Museveni yagenda mu nsiko n'ayiwa omusaayi natta abantu bwati bwe yatwala obuyinza ffe tetwagala kukola bwe tutyo era gwe mulamwa gwe tuliko munzikirize. Let me invite Uganda's incoming president. Many of you have been following what he's been up to today. It's interesting to hear what the day has been like for him and for him to share thoughts on this injustice that has been meted out not just against him but against Ugandans. Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Brother Joel. A good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for responding to our very urgent call to address you. As you all know, we are supposed to be celebrating independence. But indeed, many Ugandans are not celebrating because there's nothing to celebrate. As an artist, today I was supposed to have a concert called Osobola at One Love Beach, Busabala. We complied with all the requirements, all the legal requirements to be able to hold our show. But it will be remembered that since last year, in fact since the year before last year, the police has been targeting us, has been blocking our shows, and indeed they went ahead to block the show that was supposed to go on today. It will be remembered that this has been the 156th show that has been blocked by police. The police has always claimed that we don't fulfill requirements. We wrote to them notifying them as required by law, and they did not get back to us, only getting back to us a day to the show. The police claimed that we did not fulfill the requirements. They wrongfully, they lied that we had not written to them. But again, they replied quoting the letter that we had written to them. And most importantly, the police spokesperson said that they could not allow our show to go on because they did not have enough manpower to secure our shows. This has always been the claim, but again, their actions have embarrassed them constantly. Now, yesterday, multitudes of soldiers and policemen were deployed at One Love Beach, Busabala, and indeed, even my home, this very place, was sealed by the police and the military. They deployed very many police officers, many more, much more than we needed for our show to go on. They more or less put me under house arrest. They could not allow anybody to come in or anybody going outside. Well, I know many of you saw me today in town. Yes, I managed to elude them and I got away from here. I did that to prove to them that Osobola, to prove to them that we can do that. We were in town and now we are back here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just about me. When we don't work, when we are blocked from exercising, from practicing our profession, many people suffer. As you saw, many people complaining, the ladies and gentlemen that sell foodstuffs, the people that have their merchandise, our fellow artists, and all the service providers are affected. All this is done because President Museveni is very scared of the ideas that we represent. He believes by blocking us from communicating, by stopping us from enjoying our rights, he's going to disempower us, he's going to demotivate us. But we're here to say Osobola. And it's not only us, but to even you, ladies and gentlemen, that are watching us from far. It is possible, like my colleague said, dictators are not massaged out of power. Dictators are resisted. And we are not going to stop at anything. We are going to resist the Museveni dictatorship, and at the end of this all, Museveni will fall. Kati mu Luganda.
Wino wade muliza Luganda.
Seruta wanyanze zeka. Basebo ne banyabo tubeyanziza olw'okujja ne mu tuwuliriza nga tubayise mu kaseera akampimpi. Olunaku lwa leero lunaku lwa mwefuga. Tulina kubanga bannayuganda nga tujaganya okutuuka kukula eryamefuga. Giweze emyaka 5-7 bukyanga tugoba obukulembeze obwabeeru. Bannayuganda naddala bakitaffe ne banyaffe ne bajjajjaffe bajaguza nnyo nga balaba Uganda efunye obwetwaze, nga balaba baddugavu bannaabwe kati be bali mu mitambo mu ggwanga lyabwe. Naye kyannaku okulaba nti twagoba abakulembeze abazungu ate abaddawo nabo bakolonialisi ekyenjawulo nti bo ba langi emu naffe. Beeyisa bubi, batemu, tebawa amateeka kitiibwa, babbi ate tebawa ddembe ly'abantu kitiibwa. Olunaku lwa leero tubadde tulina okubeera ne show yaffe ng'eddembe lyaffe erituweebwa ssemateeka ate nga bwe tuli bayimbi. Naye mwenna mwakitegeddeko nti poliisi newankubadde twagiwandikira ne tukkiriza ne byonna ebitwetaagisa okukola show yaffe era yavaayo n'etulemesa. Poliisi ng'eyita mu mwogezi waayo yagamba nti tebajja kukkiriza show yaffe kubeerawo kubanga tebalina bukuumi bumala, kubanga abasirikale baabwe bonna bagenze Sironko. Naye kya buswavu okulaba nti olunaku lwajjo ekiro badiployinze abasirikale lukunkumuli okusinga ne ku be twetaaga okutukuuma ebusaabala. Tebaakomyawo naye ne wane waffe ne beetolozaawo poliisi n'amagye era nammwe muzze mu balaba. Kale nno kyannaku okulaba nti poliisi yaffe ekozesebwa ate okuzannya ebyobufuzi. Poliisi erina okuba ng'ekuuma abantu na byabwe. Pozi n'ekino kankyogereko. Omwogezi wa poliisi Sonyango yani ono mulala Enanga yazze n'agamba nti pulezidenti w'eggwanga yampa amagezi ng'agamba nti pulezidenti w'eggwanga yampa amagezi njawule ebyobufuzi n'okuyimba. Kiswaza nnyo ekyo okuva mu mukulu ayina amayinja ku bitogi owa poliisi gwe bayita Enanga. Kyalaze nnyo obunafu obuli mu poliisi yaffe. Kubanga poliisi erina kukwata amateeka era omuntu yenna amenya etteeka olina omukwata. Mwami Enanga ensonga zange ne Museveni tezikwatako. Bino byaba pulezidenti bisusa entegeerayo byesonyiwa. Ssemateeka akuwa mulimu gwa kukuuma butebenkevu. Omuntu amenya etteeka gwoba oyingira. Mutogenda kunyingira mu nkaayana za Bush na Trump. Ekyo kijja kuba kikususeeko. Ekirala President Museveni gye buvuddeko yeewandiisa mu kibiina ky'abayimbi ekya Uganda Musicians Association. era nategezebwa nti nga bwe bampita Bobi Wine naye bamuyita Sevo. Kakati era mwami Enanga alina okumanya bino bya Bobi Wine na Sevo byabayimbi tabiyingiramu. Naye ate era akyanaku nnyo okubanga omukulembeze w'eggwanga lyaffe ate muyimbi munnange akozesa ofisi bubi okunyigiriza abayimbi banne. Fena abayimbi tetukkiriza mu nkola eyo, era abayimbi tukkiriza mu mazima, tuyimba ku mazima, tuyimba ku bintu bijuna abantu. Kati bw'oba wajja eyo mu kulunda ente oba mu busirikale nga gye wazze empisa embi nozireeta mu buyimbi, njagala okutegeeza nti abayimbi tweyisa bulungi, abayimbi tuwa amateeka ekitiibwa, ate okusingira ddala abayimbi tulemerako. Eri bannayuganda bannaffe bonna bangi nnyo betulabye bebakutte bebayisiza obubi, tuyimiridde nammwe tubasaasira, naye ate tetukoma kubasaasira. Tujja kubeerawo tumekinga sure tubagoberera, twakwataganye dda ne ttiimu yaffe ey'abannamateeka okulaba ng'ejja eyimirire wamu ne baganda baffe abakwatibwa. Tuyimiridde nammwe naye tubakakasa nti tetugenda kuwanika bano bannakyemalira, tebabogereza okuva mu buyinza, babalwanyisa. Era Museveni tugenda kulwanyisa nga tuyita mu nkola yonna ekkirizibwa amateeka okulaba ng'otujjako olukookobe. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala basebo ne banyabo. Pozi kino saakyogedde mu Luzungu. I did not say this in English. I saw a police spokesperson Enanga claiming that the president came out and gave me advice to separate music from politics. Now, it was very embarrassing hearing that from this police spokesperson. That more or less proves that the entire police has that opinion. I want to inform Mr. Enanga that the business between Kyagulanyi and Museveni is none of your business. You are a police officer who is supposed to follow the law and secure people and their property. And in any case, when Museveni is advising me, he's talking to me as his opponent or as his fellow artist. So really, we encourage the police to follow the law and not to continue being, used to break the law. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to request Comrade Nubian.
Thank you, Mr. President. Yes, like he said, no. We'll come to the questions.
Kano saakogedde mu Luganda kyenyiwa Muganda. Yeah, badeployinze abasirikale bangi nnyo ku beach ne wano kweganze ne banteeka under house arrest. Naye era ng'omukujjukujju yenna nasaza amagezi ne mbayita kulitalaba era mundabye mu kibuga. Tetwakikoze ku lwa nsonga yonna, naye twakikoze kubalaga nti tusobola, nawe kukulaga nti osobola.
Yes, thank you, Mr. President. Like he said, today is supposed to be independence and we're supposed to be celebrating. But to us, it's a very sad day that government goes ahead to give bad laws and they expect us to obey the bad laws. We are not going to obey those bad laws because it's mandatory that we don't obey bad laws and we shall not obey to bad laws. Yes, we are going to have a music concert. He has not stopped us, but we are going to exploit other avenues of putting up a show and we are going to get to you, our fans. We have new music out there. You can go on all platforms and listen to the new music. Yes, they cannot stop the music. Banafe wana Uganda, lero lunaku lubadde Independence, lubadde lunaku beera Independence Day, olunaku olw'amasanyu. Naye lunaku lwa nnaku nnyo nti nno mu nsi eyaffe gye tusuubira nti ku 9th October we twafuna independence twandibadde free okola kye twagala, gavumenti egenze maaso n'eremesa ekivulu kyaffe. Naye tubategeeza kimu, tebatulemeseza kuyimba ate tebatulemeseza bivulu. Tugenda maaso tutegeke ebivulu ebirala ate ng'era tugenda batuukako nga tukozesa engeri endala eziriwo era omuziki tugukube.
Okay, we have a man who was akuguse mu by'amateeka agavundule kubanga bainanga bani enanga simanyi bye yasoma katumusomesa amateeka.
Thank you so much, comrades, Mr. President, and fellow comrades. I really want to first of all echo what my comrades talked about, the idea that today is Independence Day. today should be a day of celebrating freedom. Those of you who know our anthem, it has a word which says, "O Uganda, the land of freedom, our love and labor will give." It's very unfortunate that the land which should be the land of freedom has instead turned into a land of impunity, a land where there is no freedom, a land where injustice reigns supreme. It's very unfortunate that on such a day, when Ugandans should be free, a Ugandan who is an artist but also a political leader in this country, one of the most respected political leaders not only in Uganda but also on the continent and worldwide, is under house arrest. As you journalists were coming in, you saw the police barricades everywhere. And so it is very, very unfortunate that this is what we are celebrating on Independence Day. And my call to Ugandans is that we should realize that we have a duty to play, to make sure that this country is redeemed from the mess which it finds itself in today. And it is not only his role, but every one of us has a role to play, to make sure that our independence truly means something. Now, going back to the police, you know, we wrote to them on the 30th of September. We complied with all the requirements of the Public Order Management Act. That law, we do not agree with it. It's a bad law. It was challenged before the Constitutional Court many years ago, but it has not, the case has not been heard. But even when we know that it is a bad law, we know it is the law of the land, and we decided to follow the requirements and wrote to police on 30th, many days ahead of the show, and so we complied. All that was quoted in the letter from police is not a requirement of the Public Order Management Act. What the law stipulates is clear. It talks about the venue, the number of people you expect to have, your address, and we complied with all those requirements and stipulated to them in the notification which we gave them. We also want to reiterate that ours is not to request for permission, because fundamental human rights are inherent, they are not granted by anyone. We were just notifying them and requesting them for security, which is also an obligation on their part. But then they decided to do what they did. But what is even very sad is that police had the audacity to backdate a letter. Because we wrote to them on the 30th, they brought the letter yesterday. They responded to us yesterday. But they backdated the letter, claiming to have written it on the 2nd of October. And this is what they have always done. That when you write to them, they just backdate, they want to respond to you a day before, so that whatever requirements they've put for you, those other illegal requirements, you cannot be able to fulfill them within a day or within just a number of hours. So I want to say that that is a thug-like manner, and we cannot have an institution like police behave in that way. We take exception to that and think
kusanga abaana bange ne mukyala wange nga bonoona mu nnimiro z'abaneiba baffe naye ebyo byonna bijja kuggwa kulasa.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Madima bwekenjateeka witeeka ebibuuzo enabbibuuza mu luzungu.
Honorable Radio gyenkolera